In the glass industry, just like any other trade, safety is going to be a top priority. Every individual that steps on a job site is responsible for safety. So this is going to be a short video where I show you the basic PPE or personal protection equipment that every glass professional needs to have. First, we have our steel toe boots. But steel toes aren't always good enough because depending on your job and your glass handling habits, having a metatarsal guard on top of the shoe is usually a better option because you know and I know that we often have to rest that piece of glass on our feet. Not a great habit, but at least you can be safe. The next piece of the puzzle is going to be your hard hat. This is the most important piece because this is what's going to keep you safe, not only from everything that you're doing, but everything that's happening around you. So even though these get forgotten sometimes in residential construction, I recommend that you have a high quality one of these on hand at all times because unfortunately you do get what you pay for when it comes to a hard hat. Next are some safety glasses. And safety glasses need to be impact resistant, so they're not just any safety glasses out there. And also make sure that they seal well around your face because I'm not sure if you've ever seen a piece of tempered glass pop, but those little pieces like to go everywhere. Next on the list are gloves. Gloves are very important because they protect your hands from all of the equipment and the job site conditions. You can have some gloves like these that have like protection built into them that help you with power tools and so on. You can have some that add some grip that help you handle the glass a lot better. And you can even find some that are cut resistant to make sure that you don't cut yourself on any glass out there. Here is a piece of high-vis clothing. Having a piece of high-vis clothing is essential to the job site to make sure that you're safe. And you can get a vest like this one that is OSHA and ANSI approved. Last on the list, earplugs. Earplugs are essential to keeping your hearing protected from all that construction noise. Make sure you get yourself a good pair. So that kind of wraps up all of our basic PPE, but there is a lot of other cool bonus stuff that's very helpful to you, like these knee pads or a cut-resistant shirt or cuffs, a harness, and some respiratory protection to keep you safe from all that construction dust. Oh, and don't forget to get durable work pants, not shorts, because you don't want to be that guy that shows up on site like that. To learn more about glass, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.